The Grand Canyon, a scar across the face of the earth, a chasm so vast, so beautiful it leaves us breathless. It is a testament to the power of nature, a story told in rock and time. The Grand Canyon is not just a hole in the ground, it is a journey through millions of years of Earth's history. Located in Arizona, USA, the Grand Canyon is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and attains a depth of over a mile. The Colorado River, a tiny ribbon from the rim, carves this majestic canyon. Gazing into its depths, we are humbled by its scale. Layers of colorful rock reveal eons of geological processes. The Grand Canyon is a natural wonder, a place of immense beauty and scientific significance. The Colorado River is the artist behind this masterpiece. Over millions of years, its relentless flow has carved the canyon we see today. The story begins about 70 million years ago, with the uplift of the Colorado Plateau. This uplift created a high, flat landmass. The Colorado River flowing across this plateau began to erode the rock. The rock layers here are mostly sedimentary, like sandstone, limestone, and shale. These layers, laid down over millions of years, tell a story of ancient seas, deserts, and swamps. As the Colorado Plateau continued to rise, the river cut deeper. The river's power comes from its steep gradient and the abrasive sediment it carries. This sediment, acting like sandpaper, grinds away at the rock. Over time, this process, called erosion, carved the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is not just rock and river, it is teeming with life. From the rim to the river, a variety of habitats supports a surprising diversity of plants and animals. This seemingly harsh environment is home to over 1,500 plant species, 355 bird species, 89 mammal species, and 47 reptile species. The canyon's elevation creates a range of life zones. The rim, at around 7,000 feet, is a forest of ponderosa pine and Douglas fir. Descending into the canyon, the vegetation changes dramatically. The canyon bottom, a hot and arid desert, is home to cacti, agave, and other drought-tolerant plants. Animals like the desert bighorn sheep, the canyon tree frog, and the California condor have adapted to survive in this challenging environment. Section 4. Unveiling the Past. Historical echoes. The Grand Canyon has been inhabited by humans for thousands of years. Its vast and rugged landscape has witnessed the rise and fall of numerous civilizations, each leaving behind a unique imprint on this majestic natural wonder. Native American tribes, including the Pueblo people, have lived in and around the canyon for centuries. Their deep connection to the land is reflected in their traditions, stories, and way of life, which have been passed down through generations. Their history is etched into the canyon walls in the form of cliff dwellings, rock art, and archaeological sites. These ancient markings tell tales of survival, spirituality, and community. European explorers first reached the Grand Canyon in the 16th century. Their arrival marked the beginning of a new era of exploration and documentation of this natural marvel. Spanish conquistador Garcia López de Cárdenas is credited as the first European to see the Grand Canyon in 1540. His accounts opened the door for future expeditions and studies. However, it wasn't until the 18th and 19th centuries that explorers began to map and study the canyon in detail. These efforts laid the groundwork for our modern understanding of the Grand Canyon's geology and history. John Wesley Powell, a one-armed Civil War veteran, led the first expedition down the Colorado River through the Grand Canyon in 1869. His journey was fraught with danger and uncertainty, yet it yielded invaluable insights. Powell's daring journey helped to unlock the secrets of this natural wonder and bring it to the world's attention. His legacy continues to inspire adventurers and scientists alike as they seek to uncover more about this awe-inspiring landscape. Section 5. A Sensory Symphony. The Grand Canyon Experience. The Grand Canyon is more than just a sight to behold. It is an experience that engages all the senses. From the moment you lay eyes on its vast expanse, you are drawn into a world of natural wonder and beauty. Standing on the rim, you are overwhelmed by the sheer scale of it all. The canyon stretches out before you, a seemingly endless chasm carved by the relentless force of the Colorado River over millions of years. The vastness of the canyon, the play of light and shadow on the rock formations, the sound of the wind whistling through the canyon, it is a symphony of nature. Each moment brings a new perspective, a new appreciation for the grandeur of this natural wonder. Hiking down into the canyon is like stepping back in time. As you descend, you journey through layers of rock that tell the story of Earth's geological history. The air gets hotter and drier, the vegetation changes, and the sounds of civilization fade away. You become acutely aware of the environment around you, from the crunch of gravel underfoot to the rustle of leaves in the breeze. You are surrounded by the raw beauty of the canyon, a testament to the power of nature. The landscape is both harsh and breathtaking, a reminder of the forces that shape this incredible place. Visitors can enjoy a variety of activities. Whether you are seeking adventure or tranquility, the Grand Canyon offers something for everyone. Hiking, mule riding, and camping are popular ways to experience the canyon's beauty. Each activity provides a unique perspective and a deeper connection to this natural wonder. Scenic flights and helicopter tours offer a bird's-eye view of this natural wonder. From above, the canyon's vastness and intricate details are revealed in a way that is truly awe-inspiring. Rafting down the Colorado River is an unforgettable adventure, allowing you to experience the canyon from its depths. The river's powerful currents and the towering canyon walls create a thrilling and immersive experience. Section 6. Guardians of the Canyon Conservation Efforts. The Grand Canyon is a fragile ecosystem facing threats from human activities and climate change. Pollution, water depletion, and invasive species are just some of the challenges facing this national treasure. Thankfully, the National Park Service and other organizations are working tirelessly to protect the Grand Canyon. Conservation efforts focus on preserving the canyon's natural resources, managing visitor impact, and educating the public about the importance of conservation. We all have a role to play in protecting this natural wonder. By respecting park regulations, minimizing our impact, and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that the Grand Canyon continues to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Section 7. A timeless legacy, forever grand. The Grand Canyon is a timeless legacy, a gift from the ancient past to the future. Carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, it stands as a testament to the relentless power of natural forces. It is a place of immense beauty, a geological marvel, and a symbol of the power of nature. The layers of rock tell a story of Earth's history, each stratum a chapter in the planet's ancient book. It reminds us of our place in the universe, of the vastness of time and the resilience of life. Under the night sky, with stars twinkling above, one can't help but feel a profound connection to the cosmos. Visiting the Grand Canyon is a humbling experience. The sheer scale of the canyon walls and the depth of the chasm evoke a sense of awe and wonder. It forces us to confront our own mortality, to appreciate the beauty of the natural world, and to contemplate the forces that have shaped our planet. As the sun sets, casting long shadows, the canyon transforms into a canvas of colors. It is a journey that will stay with you long after you leave. The memories of the vast landscapes and serene moments will linger in your mind. The Grand Canyon is more than just a destination, it is a symbol of hope, a place where rainbows appear after storms, reminding us of the beauty that follows adversity. It is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way. Plants and animals thrive in this harsh environment, showcasing nature's resilience. It is a place where we can connect with nature, find peace, and be inspired by the grandeur of the universe. Whether meditating on a rock or watching the sunrise, the Grand Canyon offers a sanctuary for the soul.